Hi parents, welcome to Global Discovery Schools Hyderabad. This is Shivam Tripathi. Please, welcome to Global Discovery Schools, and as you can see, this is the main entrance gate. So this gate is actually an elliptical format which has been carved out of the usual rectangular structure, kind of getting more inviting to the parents. This is the main kind of entrance gate. Please, as you can see, a beautiful view which has been casted, and the same view standing in front of you like a tall structure. Please come. Right now we are entering into the main welcome center of Global Discovery Schools, wherein it's a welcome center, come teachers training room, seminar room, movie screening room for the kids. Please welcome. A beautiful glass partition of toughened glass will come here. Come. As you can see, the laborers working here, putting 24/7, working their best to complete painting and everything of the welcome center. Please have a look of the welcome center. So this is the welcome center with all the panels which are there for the Global Discovery Schools. These are the main people behind Global Discovery School. This is the learning space design of Global Discovery School. These are all the pedagogy and everything. This is the wall where the LCD screen will pop down for the movie screen. Come. Now let's enter into the school. Here you go. You actually enter into the beautiful school wherein you have got a mixed used court, which is a basketball court, can also be used as a skating ring. A beautiful kind of trim flooring is done to kind of smoothen the surface. As you can see in front, you have got the main primary academic block with beautiful organic shapes coming into form. The laborers are working day and night to derive that form. It's been done by architecture, detailing, sketches and everything. Come. Let's have a 180-degree panoramic vision of this beautiful site. Take a vision like this. This is the parent communication hub, the primary block with the cafeteria in between, the pre-primary block. As you can see, the excavation is done for the open amphitheater as a group discussion room, as an open room for the children to form joint activities, to perform group activities, indoor-outdoor interactions. Now let's see. Now, this is the plan. This is a point where the architect tries to, conceive whatever is seen in the plan, culminating into the beautiful views. Finally, on the site, right in front of you. Please come. Please come. This is you are just now walking from the basketball court. Now, on your right, or I should say on your left, you have got the beautiful pergola trail of this point, which goes directly into the main primary block. Now, the portions of this pergola trail are already lying there. Just 2 days to fix them and put a beautiful climbers on the top. Okay? Just see the beautiful form. This is the form. This is the organic form which we have tried to create. This is the cafeteria block which is coming into existence. As you see, a vendor which is standing right in front of cafeteria block, marking the dimensions to get inbuilt fabricated precast designs, putting it directly within a day of 3 or 5. Stop. This portion is the staff room. This portion, the walls will be vanished. It will be like aluminum partition wall, the glass, which will give a 360-degree, or I should say 180-degree vision of the teachers, having a view of the corridors of the entry and exit points of the primary as well as the pre-primary block. The main connecting staircase. Now, these are the different colorful aluminum partitions which we have used with 6 mm kacha glass. Come inside. This partition can become a passive station for the parent, being a part of the corridor as well. He is able to see his child sitting in the classroom studying. As you can see, different kind of colors have been used. The backdrop color is the blue color. These are the main facade color, light color, beautifully composed with dark color, a mixture of white and dark, light and dark. Then you can see the beautiful variants with safety grills, something of an India format mixed with a contemporary format. This is a complete view of the corridor. This is the view of the corridor. Okay. Now. there is a point. It's fine. It's fine. Here's a point where we are having actually the sunken courtyard. This is a shaded sunken courtyard. The vendor is already on site. The sunken courtyard is kind of outdoor interacting group discussion performing area which is covered. It's like an external, naturally ventilated studio where a teacher or an educator can speak, can share his years of experiences with the children. Now, this is the toilet block. The toilet block is placed strategically between the pre-primary and the primary block. Stop. This is the pre-primary block. This is the whole size of the classroom which we are giving for LKG. The library, the computer library. This is an existing stage converted into a small stage. This will be the nursery. A wall will be constructed there to make this a nursery. There's a room behind this. This is the playground. There is a direct entry which we are planning directly from that gate. Bus coming there, dropping the children at that point, coming into the playground. Go. As you can see, the JCP is kind of removing the soil to level it to make it a proper soccer ground. This will be a multi-purpose ground used as a soccer ground, used as a cricket ground, used as some multifunctional activities, exhibitions for some annual day performances. It's a huge ground. From here, goes like this heap of soil till that point. This heap of soil will be used as beautiful landscape molds in front of the pre-primary classes, as a group discussion area, as an activity area, as a performing area.